What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to expand ax plus by to the power of 3 and also ax minus by to the power of 3. So let's start with the first one, ax plus by to the power of 3. When you want to expand it is going to be 3 choose 0 ax to the power of 3 times by to the power of 0 plus 3 choose 1 ax to the power of 2 by to the power of 1 plus 3 choose 2 ax to the power of 1 by to the power of 2 plus 3 choose 3 ax to the power of 0 by to the power of 3. As you see here, the exponent of the first term is decreasing from 3 to 1 0, and the second one is 0 1 2 3. So whenever its exponent is 3, we're gonna end up having 4 terms. If the exponent is 4, we're gonna have 5 terms. If the exponent is 10, we're gonna have 11 terms. So this number 3 choose 0, 3 choose 1, 3 choose 2, 3 choose 3, we can use it either, we can calculate it either using this formula n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial, or you can use Pascal's triangle in order to find these coefficients, which I already wrote it in here. Since to the power of 3, we're gonna use the third line. Third line is this one. This is 0th, first, second, and third. 1, 3, 3, 1. So these are the 4 coefficients we need. 1, 3, 3, 1. So when you expand it, this one is 1. By to the power of 0 is going to be 1 because any expression to the power of 0 is 1. So we have ax to the power of 3. So it's going to be a cube x cube plus. This one is 3. By times a squared x squared. So it's going to be 3b a squared y x squared plus this one also 3, so 3 a b squared x y squared plus last one is 1. Ax to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have b cube y cube. That's going to be the answer. Now, if you want to find out ax minus by to the power of 3, what should we do in this case? In that case, we're gonna expand. So this one is gonna be 3 choose 0 ax to the power of 3 negative by to the power of 0 plus 3 1 ax to the power of 2 negative by to the power of 1 plus 3 choose 2 ax to the power of 1 negative by to the power of 2 plus 3 choose 3 ax to the power of 0 negative by to the power of 3. So that's going to be again 1 3 3 1. So that's going to be a cube x cube because this one is also 1. And here we have, that's going to be negative. So negative 3b a squared y x squared. And here negative 1 to the power of 2 is going to be positive. So we're going to end up having 3ab squared x y squared. And here 3 choose 3 is 1. This one is 1. Negative to the power of 3 is still negative. B cube y cube. So that's going to be the expanded form. If you compare it with the other one, these are all positive. These are going to be alternatively negative. So the second and fourth term are negative because negative to the power of odd number is negative and negative to the power of even number is going to be positive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.